Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to compare AT&T Internet Air versus cable. As you know, for decades, cable internet dominated home broadband, and if you wanted fast internet, you had a little choice but to wait for a technician, deal with cables running through your house, and hope your provider did not raise prices after the promotional period ended. But in 2026, things are changing fast. AT&T Internet Air is emerging as a serious alternative to traditional cable broadband powered by AT&T's 5G network. It delivers home internet wirelessly, eliminated many of the frustrations that come with cable service. AT&T recently surpassed 2 million Internet Air subscribers, adding its second million customers in roughly half the time it took to gain the first million, showing how quickly consumers are embracing wireless home internet. So what is AT&T Internet Air? AT&T Internet is a fixed wireless home internet service that uses AT&T's 5G and LTE network to bring internet directly to your home. Instead of relying on underground cables or fiber lines, the service connects through the cellular network and distributes Wi-Fi through the included AT&T All-Fi plug. The setup is quite simple. Plug in the gateway, download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app, follow the guided setup process, connect your devices. So why people are leaving cable? The biggest reason is convenience. Traditional cable internet often requires professional installation equipment, rental fees, and complicated pricing structures. AT&T Internet offers a simpler approach with self-installation, no actual contracts, unlimited data, and no equipment rental fees. So let's compare the speeds. So cable internet can still offer higher peak speeds, especially on premium plans. However, AT&T Internet Air delivers typically download speeds of 90 to 300 MB per second and upload speeds up to 8 to 30 MB per second, which is more than enough for streaming, video calls, online learning, remote work, and everyday gaming for most households. For the average family, the difference between 300 MBs and much faster cable plan often goes unnoticed during daily use. AT&T Internet Air focuses on straightforward pricing with no annual contracts, no coverage fees, and unlimited data. Customers who bundle with eligible AT&T wireless plans can often reduce their monthly internet cost even further. So is cable dead? Not it. Cable still have advantage for users who need extremely high speeds, low latency for competitive gaming are accessible to gigabit level service where fiber is unavailable. However, for millions of households, AT&T Internet Air delivers enough speed, easier setup, fewer fees, and simpler customer experience. That's why wireless home internet is becoming one of the fastest growing segments of the broadcast market. AT&T Internet Air is not replacing fiber internet, but it is becoming a powerful alternative to traditional cable broadband with a quick self-installation, unlimited data, straightforward pricing, and reliable 5G connectivity. It is easy to see why more people are making the switch in 2026. If your current cable provider is charging more every year while offering the same experience, AT&T Internet Air may be the upgrade you did not realize was available. So yeah, this was the information about internet cable and internet air. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.